going to be showing you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your browser and type in Canva, and right at the top you can find this website right here. Just tap there and you should see something like this. Make sure you're signed in and just search for YouTube thumbnails, and here you should see something like this. So you have multiple templates here, you can choose any of them you want, so it's completely up to you. You have some examples here, you can also use them for your own template, or you can tap on this option that says create a blank YouTube thumbnail, so you can create a thumbnail from scratch. So let's say you want your YouTube thumbnail to be something like this. Just go ahead and tap here and tap on use this template. In order to use this type of template, you need to have Canva Pro. So if you don't have Canva Pro, then you can just tap on the first option that says create a blank YouTube thumbnail, and here you can start from the top. So just change its name to something else. You can delete this picture, then add a picture of something else. So it's completely up to you how you want it. So in this way, you'll successfully be able to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.